Imperial Productions. This is the IPMED507. It is in the federal style, denoted by mid-acanthus leaves, beads, as well as leaf ribbon. It is an elegant medallion and it's very suitable for any decor. It's 22 inches diameter, 1 inch deep, has a 3 3/4 hole, and it fits a canopy up to 4.5 inches. Medallions were originally intended as fire barriers and to enhance the look of the ceiling light fixture. Since they're way up on the ceiling, they should be about 2/3 larger than the widest point of the fixture. Always remember, they're way up there, so they look a lot larger here than they will when they're installed on the ceiling. Let's look at the available materials. ArchPolymer is a synthetic wood that is rot, water, and insect resistant. It is lightweight and comes white primed. You can even use it for outside lighting fixtures. For the discerning client or interior commercial applications, we offer GRG Neoplaster that meets Class A fire rating. For exterior commercial applications, GFRC, a concrete composite, is also available. For rounded, vaulted ceilings or domes, we even have a flexible resin mold. All our medallions are available custom sized or made to your exact specifications for unique or historic reproductions. Simply send us a design and we will quote it for you. Imperial Productions is all about quality. Imperial Productions offers all of the necessary components to install the products that you buy from us. We have construction adhesive, spackling compounding that you can sand after it's dry. It won't crack afterwards. We have a complete line of Ronin paints with Renaissance colors as well as gold and silver leaf. In fact, all of our products can be coated in real metal, from columns to moldings to ceiling medallions. Just imagine if you want something in gunmetal or brass or bronze. It's real metal applied to the product.